Hello students, after a long break, happy to meet you. So, previous video session we started fourth chapter, weather and climate. Now, remaining part here I will explain. Now today's session will be going on. So students, page number 241, open it. Right here it is there, and let's start. Climatic or heat zones. So Earth is divided into three different parts. The Earth is divided into three climatic or heat zones. This division is based on the intensity of sunlight received by a particular place and also the rainfall. The shape of the Earth is also important since it is covered. The rays of the sun have to travel a greater distance in slanting manner to reach the higher altitudes. The three climatic or heat zones are, here you can see the figure of heat climatic zones. First Arctic circles, then north temperate zones, then Tropic of Cancer, then equator. This middle line is equator. The Tropic of Capricorn, then south temperate zone, then south freeze zone, then Antarctic circles. South pole, last point is south pole, and upside point is north pole. This figure you have to draw in your notebook. The three climatic or heat zones are the torrid zones, the tropical regions. Second, the temperate zones, the temperate region. Third one, the freeze zone, the polar region, the polar region. The climatic or heat zones, the torrid zones means location, it lies on the both sides of the equator. It lies between Tropic of Cancer in the north and the Tropic of Capricorn in the south. The climate is hot and humid throughout the year. This is because the rays of the sun falls directly on this area. The sun shines brightly and the temperature is very high all the year round. It rains very heavily here. The area is covered with thick and dense forest. These forests are known as rainforest. Which forests are known as the rainforest? The torrid zone. Then temperate zone. Second one is temperate zone. You can see here. Also you can read the page properly. Location. This area lies between torrid and freeze zone in both hemispheres, between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Then climate. This area is neither very hot nor very cold. This is because of its distance from the equator. The sun never shines overhead. Hence the summers are not very hot nor the winters very cold. Most of the grasslands are found here. Which area is found here? Grassland. Which area? Grassland area. Now last one is freeze zone. Location. This area lies between Arctic Circle and North Pole. Last one here you can see. And the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is the southern hemisphere. Climate. This area climate is extremely very cold. This is because the sun rays are slanting. And give a very little heat. Summers are very short and cool, and the winters are very long and short. These seas and lands are remain forest zone throughout the year. This land is famous for its midnight the sun. The polar region. Here you can see the sun does not set for 6 months at a stretch. For another 6 months the sun does not rise at a stretch. Very little vegetation is found here. All the three type of climatic or heat zones here I explained. Here our chapter is finished. Tomorrow you will get exercise of this chapter, and You have to write down in your notebook properly and please send me on my personal number. Thank you. Have a nice day.